Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to heal inside Affinity Photo. First thing we want to do is switch over to the pixel persona at the top. Once you're there, look for the in-painting brush tool on the left side. Okay, so we will find this. You can heal. We will find this in-painting tool right over here. Long press and you will see in-painting brush tool. All right. Now you can heal using the in-painting brush tool just by painting over an area you want to fix. So let's do it right here. I want to fix a little bit this here. It works almost like a healing brush, or we can try to fix this one. Let's see. As you can see, it works pretty okay. It removes things. Maybe what we can try again right here, this one. It works pretty good. But if you want the actual healing brush tool, hold your click on the in-painting brush and choose healing brush from the menu. So if we go healing brush, as you can see, now it's selected, and choose now you should see two things: your main circle, the brush, and a small black cross that's the sample point. I will okay, so click Alt. This is sample right here. For example, let's say I will choose the wheels, and as you can see, now we are healing and this thing is moving, as you can see. So I will do a mess right now just for presentation. So to set this, you will press Alt key on your keyboard and set this cross on your image, and then release it, and then you can brush and it blends with the picture as you selected. So if I do it right here at the bottom, I will choose the snow, and as you can see, we do it like that and it's changing. If it doesn't look perfect the first time, you can sample again and continue painting until you are happy with the result. You can even more add more texture, like more trees, just by sampling a clean area and brushing it in carefully. And that's basically how these things works. Healing brush tool works pretty simple once you get used to it. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps a lot. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.